Yo, first order of the day. It's for Chick-fil-A. $10 and some change, going about 4 miles. I'm sitting right next to it, so I doubt it's going to be ready. I'm gonna go warm up at least. Thank you so much. Next up, we've got a Jack in the Box. $9 and some change, going about 4 miles.
Pick up on the left.
The drive-through only? I'm gonna go through the drive-through. I'm not even gonna get out.
You have to pick it up in the lobby. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Got my next order. This one is for Voodoo Donut. $9, going about 6 miles. Not great, but it is really slow today. Thank you.
Yeah.
Total ended up being $9.50. Why would they hide 50 cents from me? How dare they? Next up, got a Sherry's order. $8, going like 2 miles.
Thank you.
It's so slow that I forgot I had DoorDash running that whole time. But I accepted a shop and deliver for some alcohol. $14.25, going like 5 miles.
Oh my gosh, no, that's the part I did. I was thinking.
Right.
Have a great one.
You as well.
You can leave it there. I can be good.
Okay.
What's your little car?
It's a Hyundai Accent.
It's cute.
You think so?
Well, I don't mean it in a rude way. Do you know that somebody stole my truck,
Really?
drove it 10 miles, ditched it in Portland? I would have paid him a Uber service, you know?
Good enough.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take care.
You as well. Next order finally came in. It is a Starbucks, $6.75, going under 3 miles. Hello.
I was just going to come meet you.
Oh, no problem. There
Thank
you
you.
are. Have a good one. You too. Total ended up being $8.75. Hidden tip on that one. Next order up is another shop and deliver for alcohol. $12.25, going under 5 miles. Only one item. And then just scribble on that line for me.
That'll work.
Good enough for me. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. Got another shop and deliver right away. This one is $12.25, going less than 3 miles. Should be pretty easy.
sir.
Hello. Looks like they're baking some goodies. Chocolate chip cookies and some buttermilk biscuits. I bet they're so cozy. I'm jealous. Next order up is yet another shop and deliver for alcohol. 1050 going less than 5 miles. This one is 3 items. Scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me.
That's literally how I sign my name.
All right, Uber's spamming me with nothing but garbage now, and DoorDash just seems dead. So I'm gonna head home. Current time is 11:37. Current total is 93. Pretty slow day overall. Lots of gaps between orders. My guess is people are still recovering from Black Friday spending. Don't want to order out too much. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.